Good afternoon, dear friends. Today I will show you a strategy called Master Band strategy. This trading strategy works perfectly in the middle of the new exertion. This is a round, free to fall, aus UTC plus 0. So to trade on this strategy you need two indicators to your chart. These are the Bollinger Bands indicator and the moving average indicator, and configure these two indicators. The settings will be in the description of the video. Next, you need to set the time to open trades, it's 2 minutes. And also the price at which you will open transaction. I set low average from 1 to 5%. Observing risk management. I do not recommend setting on the 10%, because you can lose everything with one unfavorable day. So, let's understand the essence of trading in this strategy. When the price moves from the lower border of the Bollinger Bands indicator and crosses the moving average line, we will always have it in the middle, then we open a deal at the moment of crossing for 2 minutes. In this case, we open a position for an increase, because the price moved from the lower border of the Bollinger Bands indicator, cross the line of the moving average indicator from the bottom up. And here we would open a deal for an increase of 2 minutes and get a profit. Same thing is on the contrary when the price moves from the upper border of the Bollinger Bands indicator and crosses the moving average line of the moving average indicator from top to bottom. We open a deal for a decrease at the moment of crossing, also for 2 minutes, and also get a profit. Let's check how effective this strategy works. I am starting a trading session and looking for a suitable opportunity to enter a position. Go! So we have a great opportunity here to open a position. We see that the price moved from the upper border of the Bollinger Bands indicator and crossed the moving average indicator line from top to bottom. This is the sell signal, so here I opened a 2 minutes down trade. We are waiting for the end of this transaction. Unfortunately, in the last seconds our first transaction went into negative, but it's okay, I lose the martingale system and increase the price of the next transaction by 2 times to recoup this negative transaction, as well as in more. Well, it's a shame of course, but it's okay, we look further. So here I see a great opportunity to open a position for a fall. As you can see, the moving average line was crossed from top to bottom after the price hit the upper boundary of the Bollinger Bands indicator and pushed up from it. This is a great opportunity to open a short position, which I did. We are waiting for the end of this transaction. Our second transaction went into the plus, thanks to which we recouped the first negative transaction and also earned on top. It's all thanks to the Mattinger system. Use it and often you will pay off your disadvantages. Well, let's look further.
Don't tell me you're taking all this seriously.
Oh, here I will open a position for an increase as I see a good reaction from the lower border of the Bollinger Bands indicator. Yes, we have not reached 1 to 2 points, but this can be ignored. After that, we cross the moving average line from bottom to top. Buy signal, so here I see a great opportunity to open a position for an increase. We are now waiting for the end of this transaction. Another one of Audio's went into the plus and $41. What it did to our deposit? Wonderful. Well, let's look further. Here I also see a great opportunity to open a position. As you can see, the price moved from the upper border of the Bollinger Bands indicator to the moving average line and crossed it from top to bottom. And crossed it with a rather strong movement. This is a good sell signal, so we are waiting for the end of this deal. Great, another one of our deals has also gone into the plus. As you can see, the strong trend and downward movement continued after the opening of the position, thanks to which we reserved a profitable deal. Well, let's look further. Here I saw a great opportunity to open a position. As you can see, All the signals indicated that it was necessary to open a position for a decrease here, which I did. Now we are waiting for the end of this deal.
Now don't tell me you're taking all this seriously.
Our fifth deal has also gone into the plus. Well, today's trading session is over, and I will sum up the results for today. Today our win rate is 80% because we have 4 profitable trades and 1 negative one. But if we take into account that we worked on the meeting system that is, after a negative transaction, I increase the transaction price by 2 times. Recoup the negative transaction and also earned. Then I believe that win rate will be set to be higher than 80% relative to the profit on our deposit. Well, I recommend trading on this strategy in the middle of New York, that is, somewhere from about 3:45 p.m. UTC plus 0. At this time, the strategy shows best win rate. We have seen this today. Well, the same indicator settings as I did. The settings will be in the description of the video. Observe risk management and adhere to this trading strategy. And the growth of our deposit will not keep you waiting. Thank you all for watching and see you soon.